It's me, Jimmy Agik. So here the USB cable, I bought it from Amazon. It's already open. What the? So it are like, I have no idea what's the length. Maybe like 1.6, 3 feet and 6 feet. Let's find the tiny one out. Okay, I like it. This is tiny one. Okay. Didn't I order the USB C to C? Let's find out. 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 Let's find out by ourselves. Oh, it's USB A. Effort. But it's fine. My mistake. Nothing I can do right now. I understand. It's a really long. Maybe you need some long cable. This is from INIU. It's a much longer. Wow, what do you have to say?